Good afternoon. I'd just like to show you all how little wind there is. About 6 or 7 knots of wind there. As you can see, barely a ripple on the sea. Yet Mollyoba is sailing nicely. We're doing 4 knots. How much wind is it, Joe? We're doing 4 knots through the water, and there's about 7 knots of breeze. It's an angle of 60 degrees to the wind, so we're not too tight, but what an amazing boat. Most of the other yachts around here are motor sailing. They can't move. And that's us pushing through the water nicely. Of course, we've got the full number 1 up. The little staysails helping accelerate the wind down through the gap there. All to do with the pressure difference between the air rushing down through this gap and the air being pushed around the front of the sail here, like an aeroplane ring, and that's just sucking us forward. And that little sail there increases the pressure difference between the front and the back of the sail and sucks us along. Well, that's what I read in a book anyway. There's Joanne, number 1, hard at work, reading the book. My solar panels up there, just been washed. We've just left Puerto Mayo. Really interesting, lively town. Seem to have a huge rave set up on the beach. DJ Sasha was there last night. I certainly wasn't. We had delicious Pizza Hut pizza, filled up with water. 42 euros for the night, but we had just spent 10 days on different anchorages, so and we're off now to Sarges, or a meeting the Brookbanks, and there isn't really a marina up there, so we needed to totally fill up with water. So the next 10 days we'll be swinging on the anchor again and need to be self-sufficient. I'll just show you this cliff over here, the beach running underneath it, and the little tourist town there. Very picturesque and dramatic coastline. In the Algarve here, lots of caves, tiny little beaches you can only get to by boat. Oh, we've got a fish on the line, apparently. We'll put the brake on. Is it a fish or a bit of weed? Is it wiggling? Number 1 can't determine. We'll have to wheel it in, find out. Talk to you later.